Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is business service. Business service are important set of activities that involve a combinations of resources, skill, experience for intelligibly support any business. Business service can be defined as a service that can directly support a business process which are mostly used in internally, externally, but are not necessarily visible to the business. Business service mainly involve activities which is facilitate other activities within a business but do not produce a tangible community. Example service including legal service provided by the lawyer, accountancy provided by the accountant, medical service provided by the doctor. We discuss the concept of service first. The service is an economic activity whose output is not a physical product but is associated with the satisfactions of want. This indicates that service is an economic activity involving individuals who serve or contribute to the welfare of the other. In the business context, the service is an economic activity or non-physical product provided by the individual or entity for the sale to cater the need of the customer. There are features of service. These five basic feature of service that can differentiate service from a physical product. These features are also known as the 5 I of service. First, intangibility. The service are intangible in nature, which means it lack physical existence or form, cannot be touched, smelled, taste, or stored. However, it can be perceived as a something that provide utility in the form of experience catering to the needs and wants of the customer. Next, inconsistency. The service can be inconsistent as the subjective is according to the personal experience prescribed by the individual. Service cannot be constant, standardized, or homogeneous like product. It may be provided prescribed differently for by different kind of people with different needs and demands. Next, inseparability. Inseparability means that service need to be consumed whenever they are offered or provided. This also indicate that service cannot be separate from their means of productions and from the customer experience. Inseparability demand that customer using service is required to interact with the producer to receive its benefit. Next, inventory loss. As a service is intangible in nature, they cannot be stored for future use. Services are preservable and should be consumed whenever it is offered or provided. Demand and supply for the service should be managed in the manner that allow a consumer to consume service whenever it can be provided. And last, involvement. Total service of the customer needs to be a protective, participate and seek out service from the service provider. The customer can also modify the requirement of the service as per his convenience and time and comfort. Next type of service. Service is a huge sector whose interaction are not only limited between the producer and the customer but also extend between the producers and producer as well as consumer and consumer. Service can be broadly classified as the business service, social service and personal service. Under the business service can be defined as a service who need to be fulfilled according to the request from the customer by a business enterprise. These services are provided from the business to business and business to the customer to facilitate production, distribution, sale of product for any enterprises. Next, social service. Social service are activities designed to promote the social well-being. These services are specifically aimed at by promoting the welfare of the overall society, and social service include facilitate related to the free education, food, subsidy, healthcare, subsidiary housing, adaptations, and community management, etc. Next, personal service. Personal service and economic service involving either intellectual or manual personal labor of the service provider rather than selling a product. This meant that it is to serve only for the customer and include service like entertainment, cleaning service, sport and recreation activities, etc. Thank you.